Hello everyone, I am Asratul Hasan Nahid and welcome to my another video. In this video, I will share with you my self-made VScode theme extension or Visual Studio Code theme extension. So let's start the video. First, open your Visual Studio Code. I am opening. Then click on the extension icon or option and search for Tech Learner Tech Learner theme. After searching, click on this extension, then install this extension. Then from above, select the Tech Learner official theme. Now you open any of your coding folders. Now I am opening. After opening, you can see how beautiful the code is and the colors I have used will make the code easier to read. Okay, and you can also check that we have another theme of this extension, and you can open some more files and coding, then you can understand this feature of theme. Okay, and I have a request to you that if you like my theme, please give a review. Please give a review. Today's video ends here. I will see you in the next video.